She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's going to be about spoiled girl goes to boarding school. Okay, so make sure to like and subscribe, and let's start the video. Oh my god, I need to go to mom. Mom, what do you want? Mom, good, you're here. Mom, so look, you listen to me. What is going on? Mom, look, so there's this dress. It's like so pretty. Let me see the price. Here. It's so cheap. Why would you buy a cheap dress then? Mom, like, I need it's a good amount. Okay, let me see. OMG. I know, Mom, it's so, like the price, it's so, freaking good. Such a good price. I do not mean, a good, oh my god. It's, $400. $400 just for that black plain dress. Who would spend that much money on a dress? Mom, I know who. Who? Just tell me who. Me. Exactly, only you. No one spends more money than you. You're not gonna buy that dress. Mom, stop being such a loser, Mom. You're so annoying. Give me back my phone. I'm literally never ever gonna buy that dress for you. I don't care, because I'm gonna steal your credit card and pay for it. Oh, well, thank you for telling me, because I'm gonna hide my credit card somewhere you will never find. Mom, last time you hid it in the drawer. Mom, that was the most easiest place to hide something. I found it straight away. Mom, hide better. I'm gonna go to Dad then. Your dad's still at work. No, honey, I just heard the doorbell. No. Ding dong. See? I'm always right, and you're always wrong. That spoiled girl. I swear, she does something stupid next time. I swear, I'm putting her boarding school. She always does something stupid. Let me go to Dad. Dad. Hi, sweetie. Hi, Dad. Dad, look, I really want this dress. Well, Mom won't let me. Wait, stop making that noise. Mom won't let me. That's a pretty dress, honey. Yeah, Dad, I really want it. Can you please tell Mom to get it for me? Let me see the price. No, Dad, you do not need to see that. Just let me see. Fine. OMG. I know it's such a good price, right? I do not mean a good, oh my god, it's a bad one. What do you mean, Dad? It's such a good price. $400 just for a plain black dress? Dad, it's so nice. Hell no, I'm not buying that. Or your mother, no one's gonna buy that for you. Work, buy, pay. That's how life works. There is no freaking way I'm gonna buy that for you. There's no way. You have to, if you want that, go work and you're gonna buy it, then you're gonna pay with your own money. No one else's money. Only your money that you earned. You're never gonna work, so you're never gonna buy that dress. I know it. Dad, please just buy it for me. I really want a dress. I haven't bought anything for like 2 weeks. You literally went to the mall yesterday with your friends. You saw at 1 a.m. and I saw because I have that camera over there. Oh. Wait, why was I using my finger? Oh. Yeah. And no way. Guys, I have this dumb stand and it's not a stand. Dad, look, I did not mean to, but please. No way, I'm never gonna buy that for you. I'm never buying that dumb thing. Dad, it's not a thing, it's a dress. Dad, please just buy it. I really want it. Stop begging or else you're gonna go to boarding school. Because me and your mother, yesterday we were talking at night. So we said if you're gonna do something stupid, you're gonna go to boarding school and we do not care what you say. We do not care what you think. We do not care if you cry or scream or nothing. You're gonna go. Dad, how the hell did you say that so fast? It's none of your business and you should not know. And I do not know why I'm talking so fast. Just leave me alone. I do not know why I'm talking so fast. I'm just mad. When I'm mad, I just talk fast. Dad, please buy it. Just buy it for me. I am not buying it, for God's sake. Do you understand what I'm saying? Dad, please. No way I'm buying that for you. Oh! Why is it? Dad, please don't do this to me. You're gonna make me cry. That's not working, young lady. I know you're always doing your little puppy eyes just for me to buy you stuff and spoil. Dad, please don't do this to me. Not a single word, Isabella. Go to your room right now. You're grounded. Dad, don't do. And I'm taking your phone. No iPad. No TV. No laptop. No nothing. Dad, why are you doing this to me? 'Cause you're a spoiled brat. That's why I'm doing that. Dad, why would you do this to me? Why does it keep on falling? Dad. Quit whining. Go to your room right now, or else you're gonna go to boarding school. That's what I thought. Meanwhile, Emily. Why do I hear crying? I don't care. Let me just keep on. Wait, guys, it's not like anything that has like buttons on it, so I'm like. Wait, she's flipping the pages, okay? Okay, so I just put it right here. Let me just keep on flipping the pages because I forgot where I was. Flips. Oh, wait, guys, don't look at her. Don't mind her, I forgot to put her back. I'm so mad at her. Like, you know what? I'll just throw it here. No, that's kind of mean. Let me just. No! Okay, good. So I hid it right here. She'll never find it. She's not that smart. I heard her crying. I do not care. I don't want to even hear her name. I hate her. She's going to boarding school. I do not care. I know. She's going to boarding school. Yeah. Yeah, good. Oh, there you go. Just rest down there. Okay. Finally. Oh, hi, sweetie. Hi, Dad. Dad, is there something wrong? It's just your sister, honey. Oh. Oh, so that's why your hair is crying. Of course, you were like mad at her or something. Yeah, of course. She always does something stupid. Guys, I'm actually starving. I want to eat. Guys, I got my food. Let me show you what I got. I got the Pringles, the hot and spicy ones. I love it. It's my favorite. Okay, back to the back to the video. Yeah, so she's kind of crazy. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna eat it. Mmm. Okay, I'm so tired. I'm gonna go sleep, okay? Yeah, sure, Dad. Go rest. In mind, I'm not actually gonna go to sleep. I'm just gonna go use my computer and sign her up to the best boarding school so she'll get better. 3 hours later. You guys pretend he's asleep. Oh my god. Let me go see where Gerald is. Gerald. Gerald. Gerald? Gerald! Gerald! Bro, are you okay? Don't call me bro. Oh, okay. You scared me. I know, because you screamed like a girl. Please don't make that noise. Oh my god. I hate you. And I hate you too. For scaring me. What the hell are you eating? Nothing. Show me what you're eating. Fine, I'm eating these chips. Let me just take a bite. It's so good. That's so good, bro. I'm actually so scared, bro. Where's that yummy one? Yummy. Hey, why didn't you give me some? I'm mad at you right now. I'm just kidding. Mom, why does my phone keep on falling? Don't worry, I'm just kidding. Just kidding, I'm not actually mad at you. Oh, she's dancing. Oh, hey, you got that. Let's go. What were you doing? I was, look, don't tell anyone, but I was signing up. Oh, what was her name? What's her name? Emily? Isabella. I was signing Isabella to a boarding school. What? Yeah, I was signing her up to a boarding school. She deserves it. I do not care. I don't want to look at her face. I don't want to even hear her name. I don't want to even look at her face or remember her. Or I don't even want to remember any single thing about her. And I picked the best boarding school, so when she comes back, she's a good person. I think you're kind of going too far. I was just saying that for her to get scared. Me? Nah, bro. I'm the man of my words. Guys, I need to finish my chips. Oh. Why is there chips over there? Mmm. That is so good. Okay, guys, so let's skip to the next day. We gotta tell her. I know. Hey, you're up. Yeah, I always sit in this place. Dad, I feel emo. Yeah, okay. Okay, so when she wakes up, we gotta tell her. Why am I up? Why does my phone keep on falling? Okay, I think it's good, guys. Why am I up so early today? Ew. Hello? No, good morning. Shh, don't talk to her. And how are you gonna tell her? I don't know, but I'm gonna try to figure it out right now. Fine. What's going on? Nothing. Okay. Ew, why am I next to you? Scoot over. Ew, 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 ew. You're the only one here that's ew. Oh! Yeah. If you have a problem with that, you better just go to boarding school. Why boarding school? Like, why boarding school? Tell me. Did you tell her? Oh, I'm sorry, guys. Okay, fine, maybe I did. Why would you tell her? I don't know. Okay, I did not know, okay? Didn't know that you want to accept. Then why would you tell her? I don't know. Whatever. Hey, don't be mad. Yeah, sure. Awkward silence. Shut up. Shut up. Hey, there's something wrong? Yeah, there is. You're gonna tell her? Of course I am. Tell me what. You're going to boarding school. What? Dad, you're joking. How could that? You're going right now. Go pack your bags. Dad, please don't do this. Okay. You're going right now. Dad, please go. Fine. I'm back. Finally, it took you long enough. I'm sorry. God, why are you smiling? This girl never smiles. Why is she smiling all of a sudden right now? And why the hell is the dad happy? Why is she mad? Bruh. Okay, your taxi's here. Okay. Bye. Why do you guys not care? Because we do not want you and we do not care about. Okay guys, so she does come back from boarding school and she's completely nice and respectful. And her parents are really happy to see her. And even her emo sister, which is still in the book. And yeah, that's it. Bye guys.